The principle of the method is to assign defined flow values to a range of sintered bronze and stainless steel standards. They can be used in the calibration of flow measuring instruments. The air permeability is defined as the flow of air passing through 1 square centimeter surface of the test piece at the measuring pressure of 1 kilopascal. Measuring pressure is the difference in pressure between the two faces of the test piece during measurement. A test piece is held in a suitable device. A pressure difference is applied across the test piece. The resultant flow of air through the test piece is measured. The flow standards are made up of sintered bronze or stainless steel disc held within an alloy body and sealed by rubber O-rings. These discs inside the alloy body should not be touched by bare hands, as this may cause accumulation of dirt, oily or moist residue, which may affect the standard value. Storage recommendations are similar to the other standards mentioned before. Each disc should be kept in a small grip seal plastic bag and then in a special design box provided by manufacturer.